Well, here's our chariot last night and this afternoon so far. Doing some Y dropping. Looks like we got about 1,200 gallons on right now. Get a little more and we'll head back out. He's out spraying beans as well. We had a flat tire on that this morning and we dealt with that. Got it repaired, whatnot. So both rigs are going. All right, let's go. We're going. I'm gonna quick splice in a picture right here of the semi that delivered this load of 32 this afternoon. I thought it was kind of neat. It just screams Chet Larson, and if you follow Larson Farms, you're gonna know exactly what I mean. So here it is. And if you follow them, you know exactly what's going on with their family. Extremely sad deal. So keep them in your thoughts. And if you haven't, there's a shirt on Farm Focus that it goes out to just remember Nicole and help Chet out and show your support for the family. So that's a good cause. We're scooting right along here. Things are going really well. Should be running out here any second. But run back, get a little more. I'll come back. I'll finish this field tonight yet. Windows are really dirty. It's dusty out here. We need rain bad. So this morning while I was waiting for that 32 to show up, I went and looked at some beans, and then I did get some drone footage of him spraying. The beans look pretty good. We need rain to push them along, but they look pretty good. But when you get in the drone, you get up in the air, it looks really thin. If not, it hardly looks like there's beans there. But I promise they're there. We just need rain. Everything looks good. We're doing our rain dance. So here's that drone footage of spraying beans. Well, we went and refilled. It's a little after 8 p.m. It's a beautiful evening, and I'm just going to wrap this field up, and then I'll probably have somewhere under 1,000 gallons left to use up tomorrow. Then I think the plan is to let the co-op do some stuff that's pretty far from the farm. They'll have their tender truck. They're 60 feet wide, so they'll run less over and whatnot, and then we'll focus on spraying beans and whatnot. Doing a lot more spraying. There's handling a lot more liquid. Maybe we need to look into some sort of a tender trailer, but they can do it. When you do the math, they do it pretty reasonable. So we're gonna let them have at it, so we don't have to run all that stuff across the whole town and whatnot. So I'm gonna try to put the drone up here. I need to steer, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work. Haven't quite mastered the tracking feature. I haven't had luck with it, like locking onto tractors. I think it knows the shape of a car and everything else, but we'll give it a shot here. It might just be some standstill things as I drive by, because I need to make sure I'm not running corn down. That's priority. And then droning is priority 2. So we'll give it a shot. The corn's pretty tall for my landing pad, so improvising. Yeah, that was pretty difficult to drive and fly the drone. It did not want to track the tractor, so did the best I could. Looked like some pretty cool shots with the sunset. A couple of them I tried to get up behind to show you how they flex. Like right here is the odd row right now. And what I mean by odd row is that's the edge of the planter, and that's the edge of the planter. And if the GPS sways or something happens, it's not exactly 30 inches. So you'll see we're doing, I think it's 17 rows with this thing. So with the 12 row planter, obviously those are not perfectly in the row over there, but they have some flex to, you know, follow the row. Those are in the rows right now. Those are the ones that are in the planter tracks that we're in. And if you follow me, you know I've said this, but that's why we like this. It does give us that forgiving, just follow the row. It does just put it down where if you got a knife toolbar or something along those lines, there you're gonna be knocking corn down. Not good. So we like the wide drops, we really do. We really need rain. You can see how much dust was following the tractor around, but that's in God's hands. So back and forth I go, and I'm gonna wrap the night up doing this. So I just gotta keep scooting along and try to get done before dark, or before it gets too dark at least. And I just count my rows quick, and then I just find my row, and then as I turn back in, I just look to make sure I'm not in an odd row. And if I am in the odd row, or the sprayer is going to be in the odd row, I just hop over quick so that I'm not following that, because that will make me run corn down the entire length of the field. We got finished with plenty of daylight, but I just wanted to show you quick. Look at all the dust on top of the tank and on the fenders. They were clean. We're just wide dropping, not working ground planting, nothing. Just that's how dusty dryad is out there. Come on, Lord, could use a shot of rain. But yeah, I'll have about, I don't know, 30 acres worth of stuff I can do tomorrow. And then I think we're gonna let the co-op go at it, and we're gonna focus on other things. We got corn to haul, we got beans to spray, and the sun is right in the camera. But I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for following along. So with that, you guys have a good one. Be safe as always. Check you later.